Hi students, today let us discuss about a simple technique for the estimation of the significant figure. This significant figure topic is very simple and very important for the state level and national level entrance examination. And before going in detail, let me give you an idea how will be the questions in AMSET or JEE mains level. See here question, the number of significant figures in quantity 0.00005041 joules, and how many number of significant figures in this question. And before going in detail about this question, let me give you a review in NCERT as well as in state board. To estimate the number of significant figures, there are certain rules. 8 rules are there. If you follow those 8 rules, each and everything, and apply here, it will take 2.5 to 3 minutes for you to solve. And for numericals, no need to go for those many rules. We will develop a simple technique here from STEM's learning zone. And that technique is, you need to follow this rule. Significant figures is A plus B plus C. Here A means what? Finding first non-zero digits and assign the variable A. And next thing, find zeros between non-zeros and assign it to variable B. And finally, and that C is applicable only in the case of decimal number, not for all the cases. All trailing zeros are significant. Trailing means what? Rightmost zeros, and that is C. Simple. So now significant figure means in your mind you should think about A plus B plus C. And let me come to the same question again. And here the given quantity is 0.00005041 joules. And here if you observe carefully, it looks like there are 9 numbers, 9 digits are there. But if you observe in our options, we have the first option itself is given A as 9 to tempt you students. So it looks like 9 digits, but actually according to the significant rules, here what is our first rule? A. What is meant by A? A is number of non-zero digits. And how many non-zero digits are here? Once observe. It is very simple. 5, 4, 1. How many are there? Only 3. So A value is 3. And next B, number of zeros between non-zero. That is only 1 zero is existing between non-zeros. So B value is 1. And in case of decimal, we know that all rightmost zeros, trailing zeros are significant. But here if you observe, there are no trailing zeros. So C equal to 0. Now it is very simple. Significant figure is A plus B plus C, and 3 plus 1 plus 0 is 4. Be careful with this kind of the question. Why? Because there are 9 digits and first option is 9 is given. But actually the correct answer is 4. And let me take another question. Observe here, this question is asked in AP EAMCET 2022. And in 2022 only again, in another shift, there is one more question. The number of significant figures in the quantity 5.6200 joules. And here also, observe carefully, there are 5 digits. How many digits are there? 5 digits. And 5 is also there in the option. There are 3 non-zeros. So 3 is also in the option. And there are 2 zeros. 2 is also in the option to confuse the student. But if you apply our logic shortcut technique, what is our shortcut technique? First to calculate A. A is number of non-zero. How many non-zeros? 5, 6, 2. How many are there? Only 3. So A equal to 3. And B, zeros between non-zero. There are no zeros between non-zero. So B value is 0. And in the case of decimal, C is applicable. That is rightmost zeros. Fortunately, this is a decimal number. And rightmost zeros are here. Observe 1, 2. So C value is 2. Now just add them. 3 plus 0 plus 2 is 5. 5 is our answer. If you observe, in our previous case, all the number of digits were 9, but the significant figure answer is only 5. So 4. But in the case of this question, all the digits are 5 and our answer is also 5. And if you apply our method, our technique, you can't get the answer wrong. Now, next question. Similar, in 2021, what is the number of significant figures in an expression given 3.20 plus 4.80 into 10 power 5? First, you need to simplify this expression. 3.20 plus 4.80 is 8.00 into 10 power 5. In this case, always remember, you just ignore this part while estimating the number of significant figure. And you just focus on this one. Our regular method, A equal to number of non-zero, 8 only non-zero, so A value 1. And B, zeros between non-zero, no zeros, so 0. And finally, C, in case of decimal number, all rightmost zeros. So 0, 0, how many are there? 2. So C value is 2. And total 1 plus 0 plus 2, that is 3. Very simple. And 3 is our answer. My dear students, I hope you understand. Till now, in 2022, we have 2 questions from significant figure. In 2021, 1 question from significant figure. And 1 more question from 2022. That means in 2022 itself, we have 3 questions from significant figure in 3 different shifts. And this is 2022 and the first shift. If NA, NB and NC are the number of significant figures for the quantities given, A equal to 0.001204 and B equal to 43120000, C equal to 1.200. And in these expressions, the question is about comparison of the number of significant figures in 3 quantities, A, B and C. It is very simple. Let me give you one simple idea. We know that estimation of the significant figure is A plus B plus C. A means what? Number of non-zeros. So how many non-zeros? 1, 2, 3. 3 plus number of zeros between non-zero, 1. In case of decimal, rightmost, no rightmost, plus 0. Total 4. So NA value equal to 4. And coming to the B, number of non-zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Number of zeros between non-zero, no zeros. In case of decimal, C is applicable. It is not a decimal number. So these are not significant. So NB equal to 4. And in the case of C, number of non-zeros, 2. And the number of zeros between non-zero, no zero between non-zero. And number of rightmost zeros, 1, 2. So 2 plus 0 plus 2, that is NC is also 4. So here 3, NA, NB, NC, all 3 are same number. So all are equal. The answer is first one. My dear students, I hope you have understood this topic. And please subscribe and share with your friends so that it will reach to the maximum extent of the learning group. Thank you all.